No, you have to do it.
Hold on, wait. No, wait, shit. Can we say what this is from?
This is from The Last Exorcism.
Are you recording it?
Uh-huh.
Say it again.
This is from The Last Exorcism.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
No, let me see. I don't believe you. Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh. She goes like this in the barn. She goes, Robert, I'm going to give you a flying job. That's all she does.
Hold on. Doesn't she stand on some wall thing? Make that.
She goes like this. Oh, can I get up on this?
Yeah.
No, I'm scared.
Just do it.
When I get on this, she's like, hold up.
Can I put this on Facebook?
No, I don't. No, I seriously don't care.